Is it more? Is it more? Is it more had the guts to come here the second time to threaten me? More.
Listen, my son, please, I don't want anything to happen to you. Please.
Mother, nothing will happen to me.
I know, but marry his daughter.
No amount of threats, Mother, would make me marry the daughter of a fetish priest. Mama, it is not right. It would not happen.
Okay. Honestly, I'm concerned about you. I don't want anything to happen to you, please. Besides, the gods might be angry with you.
The gods? Mother? The gods, you say? Well, let me remind you. You remember that time that I opposed to my late father being buried with 7 human heads? I was told that the gods would kill me. I'm still here, standing, waiting for the gods. So if the case at hand is same as former, Ezemo should rest and allow the gods fight their battle.
That's not true. It is the tradition of this land we're talking about.
What tradition?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.